This is the emergency alert system. A missing persons alert has been declared and is underway. The Lucilla Police Department, along with the Robloxia Bureau of Investigation and Lucilla Bureau of Investigation, are currently looking for William Wolf, a 9-year-old male wolf who is approximately 4 foot 2 inches tall, has gray cheeks, and was last seen wearing a light blue jacket with a red shirt underneath and dark blue jeans. He was last spotted by his sister, Willow Wolf, inside the Daisy residence. Authorities have confirmed that William may have run away from the home in search of his caretaker, Daisy, who had left the pair due to mandatory duties in the military. It is not known at this time where William's current location is, but he is believed to be in extreme danger. If anyone knows about the current whereabouts of William, they are asked to call the Lucilla Police Department by dialing 1-800-232-6982 or dial 911 immediately.